Hello, today I'll be teaching you how the flow of water works and how it could wind up from the clouds to the ocean, back to the clouds. So, here's how it works. Water is always in a repeated cycle called the water cycle. This water can start pretty much anywhere in the cycle. Depends where you want it. So, let's say it starts in the clouds. These clouds will get so packed with water that they start raining it down and to the ground, or for example the mountains. Now, all our water that we drink always come from the mountains. The water melts off the mountains from ice and goes all the way down until it finds its way to either a river, a lake, or the ocean. But most cities get their water from rivers, because ocean is filled with salt and lakes can be infested with bacteria. So water is always going down because gravity. Now it could either flow down a hill until it finds the water. So here we have the North Saskatchewan River, and here we have the Rockies. So it's always going down until it meets it. Or it could sink through the soil and eventually find its way to a river or anywhere, a lake. Or it could keep on going down deeper into the Earth's surface because it's always going down. That's why a lot of times if you dig more deep, you'll find it more wet. Like, for example, if you were in a playground and you kept on digging the sand up, you might eventually find water. That's because the water that comes from the rain is always landing on the sand, but it sinks deeper and would stay there. Now, so once it gets to the river, it goes all the way and passes through some cities that the city takes up, cleans it, and gives it to its citizens for all their needs for water. So let's erase this. Now, here we have a river. Here we're gonna have like a up view. So here we have, this line is going to be North Saskatchewan River. It's going to be going all through these cities till it reaches maybe a city like Edmonton. Edmonton. And yeah, it's clean. And then it's gets to the buildings in the city and puts back in the water until it reaches the next city, which would probably be Saskatoon in Saskatchewan. So we have Saskatoon, maybe then Winnipeg, and Manitoba. It keeps on going, Ontario, Quebec, till it ends all the way into the North Atlantic Ocean. And then, so now, here it is in the ocean. Right there. Now, that water can go back in the clouds by evaporation. So, here we have our body of water. And here we have, let's say, the sun, even though the sun is never blue. It's shining down, giving it heat. The surface water evaporates and hot air rises, so it goes all the way up, finds its way back to a cloud. That cloud rains back down and then gets to a river, and it's like a repeated cycle. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. I'll catch you on the next one.